Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chevy Trax, and I'm going to show you to reset the change oil. So here you'll see the popping up. So I'm going to turn the vehicle back off, and I'm going to flip it on to just the on position. And then once it boots up, you're going to toggle between all your options with this. So we're going to push the menu once, brings up your menu options, and then we'll toggle with this. So I'm still going, you can go up or down with this little switch here. And I'll just switch, keep going through till you see, these are just the regular options. So once you hit the menu, it switches to your menu options. Toggle with that. So you'll just scroll through. We're doing the oil reset. So it's showing 0% right now. So I'm going to hold this button, holding it down, and then it'll reset. Hope that was helpful for you. If it was, appreciate a like and subscribe. Have a great one.